Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me roll up real quick because we finna make some Philly cheesesteak hash browns, y'all. Baby, I seen this shit at Waffle House. I said, what the fuck? I'm making that. Yes, ma'am. I got my bell peppers. I got me a little orange, red, green. Got the little Philly cheesesteak, sirloin, thin sliced beef, baby. Come on, y'all. This finna be good. This finna be so fire. Now, at first I had sliced my bell peppers up long ways, but I was like, nah, fuck that. I'm gonna go ahead and dice these up because that make more sense to me. But you can do whatever you want. Leave them big, cut them little, leave them whole. Shit, I don't give a damn. Go ahead and chop these bad boys up. Yeah, when I seen this bad boy, I said, I got to make this. Yeah, the little advertisements be having the opposite effect on me, bitch. I'm not finna run down there and go get that because I seen it. I'm finna run down there and go get the shit to make it, okay? There go my little bell peppers right there. Gonna chop up my little onion, okay? And y'all about to get on my nerves with these comments about my voice. Look, nah. I've been doing these goddamn voiceovers on this YouTube for about a year now. I'm gonna need y'all to get it together. Bitch, this me. All motherfucking day. Okay? Next we're gonna get this cheese up in here. Oh, yeah. You don't gotta grade your own cheese, but I'm telling you, the texture, the cheese pull, the taste, all that. It's gonna be way better. Anyway, this right here is some Monterey Jack cheese, and I got some sharp Kobe Jack. No, my bad. Some sharp cheddar right here. Yeah, I'm trying to get every piece of this cheese. I'm gonna cut my damn finger. Yeah, go get that shredded up. This might look like a lot of cheese, but baby, I like cheese, and this is gonna be good. Anyway, go ahead and saute up your bell peppers. I'm doing these separate than the onion, cause baby, my daughter wants some, and she don't like onions, but she like bell pepper. So, hey, look, I'm just happy she likes something, cause when I was little, I ain't like none of that shit. I was straight meat and cheese. Baby, don't take me to Subway. That sandwich finna look so goddamn sad. Meat, cheese, mayonnaise, and maybe a little bit of lettuce. But not no more though. My shit be stacked up now, okay? So anyway, I'm gonna saute up these onions, y'all. I'm finna grate up this garlic in here. A little flavor. Yeah, get them aromatics flowing. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna do too much. About 3 cloves of garlic up in here. Saute them a little bit more. Go ahead and get these out, y'all, because I'm ready to get this meat up in here. I'm ready to eat. Okay, y'all, here go the hash browns. I had to dry them up though, cause I froze them. I don't know why I did that, cause now they just got extra water on them. But anyway, you're gonna have to do this anyway. Get all the little excess water off of there. Push them with a paper towel. Put them on a paper towel. Whatever you gotta do, just get the water out of them, cause they ain't gonna fry right. Grease gonna be popping all over you, hitting you in the face. Yeah, it ain't even worth it. So don't half-ass this step. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and season up my little olive oil. I put some olive oil in here. That's some salt and pepper. I got some complete seasoning. If you don't know nothing about seasoning your skillet or seasoning your oil, yeah, just try it. Throw your little oil, whatever oil you're using in the skillet first, and then season the skillet. And then throw your food in there. I'm telling you. It's something about it, baby. Yes, get this sirloin steak up out of here, baby. I ain't never had no steak up out no box. Shit, if they like it, I love it. Let's go and see what it's talking about. Okay, it come in little individual, little planks. So you could take two out if you want to. Just make yourself one. I'm finna pour all this in here. So all that portion and shit, that's out of there. Get that in there. Yeah, these seasonings already smelling so damn good. They like toasting. I don't even know how to explain it. Just try it. Go ahead and saute your meat up a little bit. Get you some bell peppers and onions mixed up in that meat. You're gonna save some because you want to put some on top, baby. Yes, meat looking like this, smelling good, looking good. Okay, here go the hash browns, y'all. I almost fucked these up, but we good. Look how crispy. Look how golden brown. I probably needed to cook these on a flat top. I was doing too much trying to use this little bitty ass skillet, but we good. We good. They gonna come out good, y'all. Ooh, with that crisp and that soft in the middle. Look at them bad boys. What I tell you? I told you they was gonna be all right. Okay, let me stop playing. Get this meat on here so we can try this. And yeah, just a little suggestion. I would have put some cheese on the potatoes first and then put the meat, but honestly, this thing was so cheesy and so goddamn good. I was not worried about that. I just thought about that just now. Put that on there like that. Yes, come through with them bell peppers. And it's bell peppers in the meat too, y'all. Yes, that on top like that. Come through with them grilled onions, straight like that. Oh, Shit, Waffle House, they wasn't looking like this. That's all I'm gonna say. That shit was not looking like this. Come on through with that cheese, y'all. I went ahead and put the cheddar cheese around so they can get on the potatoes a little bit. Mm-hmm. I ain't being shy at all. Come on through with that Monterey on the top. Oh, yeah. Some more bell peppers. Oh, get your ass out of there. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that bad boy. You already know I'm finna throw it up in the oven. Get it all melted. Oh, look. Oh, shit. Yeah. Tell me y'all want to try this motherfucker. It wasn't nothing but some little Philly cheesesteak meat, some bell peppers, onions, some cheese, and some goddamn hash browns. Come on. Look at that bad boy. The cheese pulled crazy. Shit good as hell, y'all. Oh my god. Look. Subscribe for more recipes, cause baby, I got some more on the way. This shit was fire. Y'all know the vibe. She in the kitchen. And she whipping.